Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change display name on Reddit. Maybe you want to maintain your anonymity or simply want to update your username to align with your preferences or online activities. So today I'm going to show you how to change display name on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on this My Profile option. Now, in this page, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can now see all of your profile details. Since you wanted to change your display name, simply tap on this name text field, then delete your current display name. After deleting, you can now enter your new desired display name. Once you are done typing, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your display name on Reddit. Your followers and other users will see your newly updated display name, and your posts and comments will also reflect your new name. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change display name on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change display name on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.